Have you ever felt stuck when trying to speak English? You know all the grammar rules, you've learned hundreds of new words, but when it's time to talk, your mind goes completely blank? You're not alone. Most English learners face this exact problem. They spend years studying English, but when they try to speak, the words just don't come out naturally. And the worst part? You don't always have someone to practice with. No English-speaking friends, no partners, no teachers available 24/7. So, what can you do? How can you actually improve your English speaking skills by yourself? Here's the truth. You don't need a speaking partner to get fluent. You just need a smart way to train your speaking muscles, the same way athletes train their body. And that's where today's method comes in. I call it the shadow talk method. It's a simple but powerful technique that allows you to practice English without a partner, build your confidence, and speak naturally and fluently step by step. So, what exactly is the shadow talk method? It's based on a simple idea. You listen to real English, and then you recreate it in your own words. Now, I don't mean just repeating line by line like a robot. I mean understanding the idea and then expressing it your way. Let's say you hear someone say, "I try to read a few pages of an English book every night before bed." You could restate that as, "Before I sleep, I usually read a little bit of an English book." Different words, same meaning. That's how you train your brain to think in English, not translate. Now let's talk about how to do it. There are 3 levels, from easy to hard. 1. Easy, mini shadowing. Repeat short phrases or single sentences right after the speaker. Focus on pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Don't worry if it's not perfect, just copy the music of English. 2. Medium, thought shadowing. Wait until the speaker finishes a full idea, then pause the video and try to say the same idea in your own words. You'll practice both listening and speaking at the same time. 3. Hard, full shadowing. Listen to a whole paragraph, story, or short speech. Then try to deliver the entire thing your way, using your own grammar, vocabulary, and style. This step trains your fluency and creativity at once. I call this approach easy to hard imitation or progressive training. You start small, short phrases, easy content. Then you slowly challenge yourself with longer, faster, or more complex material. This process forces your brain to adapt, just like muscles growing stronger after each workout. Language learning is the same. You get better not by studying harder, but by training smarter. So why does this method work so well? Because when you imitate real English, you're not memorizing grammar, you're absorbing it naturally. It's called implicit learning, the same way children learn their first language. When kids learn to talk, they don't study grammar books. They listen, they imitate, and they repeat every day. And before they even know what past tense or present perfect means, they already use it correctly. That's exactly what happens when you use the shadow talk method. You learn grammar without even realizing it, while focusing on what truly matters, communication. Here's what you'll gain if you practice this method consistently. You'll speak faster and more naturally. You'll stop translating in your head. You'll start using correct grammar automatically. You'll sound more confident and fluent when talking to others. Even 10 minutes a day can make a real difference if you stay consistent. So here's your simple challenge for today. Find a 1-minute video in English, maybe a movie clip, a TED Talk, or a YouTube short. Listen carefully once. Then pause and try to retell what you heard in your own words. If you can't remember everything, that's okay. Just express what you understood. Do this every day for a week, and you'll feel your speaking confidence growing like never before. Remember, fluency isn't built overnight. It's built by speaking, a little bit, every single day. Don't wait for the perfect time, the perfect partner, or the perfect accent. Start now, start today. Because the moment you start speaking, that's the moment your English starts improving. If you want to learn this method step by step, with sample audios and practice guides, click the link below and check out the full tutorial. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to English Fluent for more tips to help you speak confidently, naturally, and fluently.